So what happened?
The hose broke. That's all I can say. A water hose. Mister, now we have to be towed.
So where are you at?
Colorado Springs, Colorado.
Who came to get you?
My bestest friend in the world, Steve.
Bye-bye, Carb.
Hey, when you go off grid, they take your car.
I'm free and it feels like my heart's exploding, like I could touch the sky. All the plans that I have made finally become real.
The septic tank then would be best to put behind this tree, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And that way we can put our RV here if we want.
Right.
Right? And then we can do a clean out, and then our structure can either go here or up there.
Yeah.
And it would work both places.
Yeah.
So, just walk over this way with me. So you were talking about putting it maybe a little bit lower. How much lower? Like, where are you, I mean, just like an idea where you're thinking.
Well, I'd say either right in here, or
Okay.
we can drop it down somewhere over here.
Okay, so like where that tree is and where I am, somewhere in this area?
Yeah.
Okay,
But I gotta
Okay,
make
yeah.
sure of all of it, and I'll have him double check.
okay, all right. How long does it take you guys to set it up?
The whole thing?
Yeah,
About a day.
just a day?
Yeah. Yeah, the tank comes this afternoon, and then it shouldn't take very long after that to get the whole thing dug, and then we have to get an inspection, and then after the inspection we can bury it.
Oh, okay. So the tank and the leach field, just a day? Or does the leach field take longer?
It'll probably take about a day with
Oh.
everything.
Huh?
What are you trying to decide?
Where the beginning of the house should be. It would take these two trees down. Okay, so we said you'd say top. Okay. All right, so that's fine. Well, you didn't know exactly where we were putting the house either.
Oh, okay.
So we made the decision to put the house there.
Trying to keep it kind of close to the house. So. All right. Well, they're wanting to bring the tanks. So we'll get digging.
Okay. All right. So which way are you coming in?
Can I just ask you a few questions? How deep is that septic?
How deep
in
it
the
is?
ground? Yeah.
About 6 or 7.
6 or 7, so not too deep. No.
Okay, so we sell 3 types of septic. So it's all in gallons. There's a 1,000-gallon septic tank, a 1,250, and a 1,500.
Okay.
So
And this one is which size?
this is 1,250.
1250.
Yeah.
Okay. And is that pretty recommended for a 2-person household?
Yeah, you could probably get away with 1,000.
Okay. All right. Very nice. Well, thank you, sir. I appreciate your help.
Hey, no
All
worries.
right. Okay. Bye. Okay. Yesterday, they put the septic in, and the house is kind of what you're seeing here in front of me. That little kettle and that little bench are 2 of the perimeters. One of those trees, almost to the corner of that car and over. And then over here is the pipe that will go to the rest of the house. Here's the septic tank. And those green caps, I guess, will stay exposed, they said. But they're not screwed down because it still has to be inspected. And then this piping comes out to what's called the leach field. So it comes out to here, and then this would be the leach field. And pretty cool, hey? Very cool.
I thought we had to have 3 of these.
I don't know anything about it.
Well, I was just thinking that's what Vinny Jr. said yesterday.
Oh, I don't know. It might have to do with what size of house.
Well, and it might have to do with the fact that maybe they went too longer, made it longer instead of that way longer.
3 of them, yeah. But then this is where they will come and pump it out. What do you think of the septic in the leach field?
Yay! It's in! It's almost, well, it's almost in.
Almost. Yep.
Almost
That's
in.
pretty good. That's pretty cool.
You like it?
Yes.
Nice. All right, cool.
Just one more step ahead.
Yep. All right.
I'm